What is up, guys and gals? Duff here with another helpful video. Today we're going to be replacing skirts on lures such as spinnerbaits, jigs, chatterbaits, buzzbaits, pretty much anything with the exception of a frog. Now, replacing the skirt on a frog, there's a lot more involved. It's kind of tricky. If there's enough interest, comment below and I'll make a video. Now, this video is geared more towards the new fishermen, high school guys, so share this with them. They ask me this all the time, and it'll save you a lot of money instead of replacing a lure like this. It's not damaged. These things wear out. The skirts wear out over time from catching many fish. So anyways, if you're brand new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss an upload. Let's get to this repair. Okay, so on a skirt, you got a short side and you got a long side. So what you want to do is take it where your long side's on top. The short side's going to go on the bottom where your hook is. And all we do right here, get the hook, hook it through the middle of the rubber band, wet it, and just push it up. There, that just saved $8 at least. And sometimes if your skirt's not 100% perfect, you can get some scissors and just trim it a little bit. I got some messed up on the back side of here, but I don't want to clip this in my room. I'll go over a trash can and clip it, but that's done. Now moving on to a jig. Alright, so to replace the jig, it's the same exact principle. You got a long side, you got a short side. Flip it over like this. Long side's always on top. I'm going to turn this down so you can see it. So we take our hook, hook it right through the middle of that rubber band. Wetting it just helps it slide up easy. So take that tip and apply it. Now this skirt is a little bit big for this Strike King Bitsy Flip jig, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a pair of scissors and I'm going to just trim it right up to the bottom of the shank. And that's it. It's ready to go fishing. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. These lures are ready to go fishing. The jig's ready, the spinnerbait's ready. Like I said earlier, it'll work on jigs, spinnerbaits, buzzbaits, chatterbaits, anything with the exception of a frog. Share this with some younger anglers. I know this will benefit them. And if you're brand new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications. You guys keep God first in your life, and we'll see you on the water.